So my next project, I'm going to be making cotton spun ornaments. And if you've never made one before, I'm going to do a quick supply tutorial of what you need, and I'm going to link this separately to my actual videos because the supplies are, you need quite a few things and I don't want to have to repeat it for every video, so I'm just going to link this to the videos so I don't have to keep repeating it. You need cotton. You can use cotton balls and just unroll them, or if you can find this long cotton, or you can use quilt batting, whatever you can get. You'll need some eyes. I have many tutorials on making your own eyes, resin eyes. You can buy eyes. They make lots of different kind of doll eyes. Or you can view one of the tutorials I've made on making your own eyes. I'm also going to be putting another tutorial out just before this one on how to make some very realistic little glass eyes, and these are a quick, easy project. So I'll link that on the bottom as well in the description. You're going to need pliers. You're going to need masking tape. You're going to need some kind of white glue. This is the only glue I have at the moment that's white. This does work. You can use Elmer's glue, whatever kind of glue you have that's white, a white kind of paintable glue. Aluminum foil. I prefer a thinner aluminum foil, but use whatever you've got. You're going to need a plastic or glass container to mix up your glue, because you need a glue and water mixture, so you're going to need water as well. You're going to need wire. I use a 16 gauge and a 20 gauge. You can get this at the hardware store, you can get it at Michael's, you can get it at Princess Auto. And then you're going to need acrylic paint, or whatever kind of paint you want to use. I use Liquitex Basics. It's my favorite paint. You can use any paint you have, it'll all work. I prefer water-based paint because if you want to dilute it, you can do that easily. You're going to need paint brushes, whatever you've got. I like using these sculpting tools that are, I don't know what these are made out of. I think they're silicone. I've also got my little cake decorating tool, which I pretty much use in every project I also like to have different glitters. You can also, if you can find them, mica flakes, which I find hard to get here. I should probably find a supply of them. It's what a lot of the more vintage Christmas ornaments have on them, but here's a nice glass glitter, and this is quite available at Michael's. They also make some really interesting, I think this is polyester glitter, and of course some glow-in-the-dark glitter. Whatever you want to put for glitter on your project. The first project I do, you won't need any glitter. I also like to have on hand like a brush on glaze. You can get this fairly easily, the triple thick. I also like this glaze as well. It's a 3D gloss gel from Art Basics. Another thing I like to use is styrofoam balls or styrofoam eggs, whatever you can get. They make it easier sometimes to make a base instead of bunching up all your aluminum and your cotton and everything to make a larger project. So if you want something big, you can use a styrofoam ball as your base. If you don't like using styrofoam, you don't have to do that. It just sometimes makes it a lot easier. Another thing I like to have are fake eyelashes. I use these on quite a few of my projects. I'll show you one of them here that is almost done, where I've used fake eyelashes on her, and she's an octopus. I quite adore her. I need to get a higher tripod for my camera here, because these bigger projects are hard to film when the tripod's so short. But here's an octopus I made, and she is fully cotton spun. I've made her look a little mottled. Oops. And her legs bend. because she's got a wire base. I absolutely adore this little girl. And thank you for watching. I put out a new video every week. Please subscribe. Our next projects are going to be a ton of cotton spun ornaments. I'm going to start with Halloween and continue right through the fall season to Christmas. So again, please subscribe. If you have any requests for any items, please let me know. Put them in the comments section. Thanks for watching.